Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. I'm Melissa. If you are new here, welcome. I thought I would show you guys $2 Tuesday this week, try to kind of give you an idea of what it is and like all that cool stuff, because I know a lot of you only follow me here and not on Instagram, and I've actually been doing $2 Tuesday since February. We actually just had a bunch last week retire, but they can come back if they get voted in. Anyways, it's just another reason to make sure that you follow me everywhere. But I wanted to show you this week's $2 Tuesday and how it works and all that kind of stuff. So every week I pick a theme, and it goes back and forth between a glitter theme and then like a pattern theme. So there's that, but the sheets are always the same, like what they look like. So the first one is this butterfly labels, and I try to pick, when I pick a color, I try to pick like 2 tones of it so that it kind of gives you some variation, and each of these sheets is only $2 today. And then we have checklists and then like sidebar ones. This is what I call the functional sheet, so it has just kind of like a little bit of everything. A lot of people like to use these in their personal planners and like their boujous, and that kind of stuff. Some work labels. I have these half boxes and then quarter boxes. And they're really great also for like extending a kit or just coordinating with kits. And then I always put 2 different sets of date covers, one in the dark color and one in the lighter color, or the 2 different patterns that correlate. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to come pop on here real quick and show you guys. And yeah, if you want to check it out, I'll have my shop linked below. It's every Tuesday. I try to keep them up for about 36 hours or so. They usually go up Monday afternoon. And I keep them up for, like I said, for about 36 hours to make sure like international and all that kind of stuff, those people get it. And you can use coupon codes on them. So go check it out. There are lots of other colors and things available right now. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.